Hi, I'm Mark. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a new recoil starter on your string trimmer. To install the new recoil starter assembly, I'll align the pulley with the starter cup and the housing with the mounting holes. And I'll secure the lower portion of the starter with the 2 screws. I'll leave the screws loose for now. Now I'll reinstall the housing. And the 2 top screws. I'll go ahead and tighten up the 4 screws that secure the starter. And I'll finish by reinstalling the muffler cover. That's all it takes to install a new recoil starter assembly on your trimmer.